So today we're going to learn about angles and 8-point compass, estimating and measuring angles. Measuring angles up to 180 degrees, telling directions in terms of north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Identifying, of course, the quick note will be knowing how to identify inner scales and outer scales when we actually measure angles. So find angle P. This is very straightforward. Can I have someone to answer my question, please? How many degrees is this? So we are looking at inner scale or outer scale. Are you familiar with the term inner scales and outer scale? Yes or no? Okay, what does it mean by inner scale and outer scale? So, because the starting line is this one, I call this the starting line. Okay, this, I'm going to call this the starting line. Okay, my starting line, 0 is in the inner scale. So we are looking at inner scale. So the starting line and this is the ending line. Okay, so this is the ending line. So the ending line, because the starting line we start from 0 is in the inner scale. So we are looking at inner scale. So how many degrees is this? Lucas, how many degrees is this? Unmute and answer me. Yeah, Charlene, you're right. Lucas?
Is it supposed to be inner scale or outer scale?
Inner scale. Because,
Okay, 100. Yeah.
Yeah, it's 100. Okay, very good. Okay, 100 degrees. Next. Okay, this one, I actually moved my, let me see if I can do it. Hang on a minute. Okay, it wasn't here. I actually, what's that word called? I actually added this. Okay, so in the figure shown, which dots can be joined to mark the end point B of the line AB? So apparently AB is here. Apparently AB is here. Okay. And which point can you join? Is it P and no, M and PQ? Which point can you join to get 150 degrees? So this one is an estimation question, but because it's an estimation question, some of you may not get it. So I actually insert a protractor here, the picture of a protractor. So you can see if let's say that the line is here, I'm looking at sorry? Yes. So we are looking at outer scale because this is the starting line. Starting line starts from 0 is here. So it's outer scale. So if I want to form 150 degrees, 150 degrees is here. Outer scale. So the closest point to the outer scale is Q. So the answer is Q. Okay, so this is the original questions without the protractor. So where is the point that you're going to join to get 150 degrees? Anything below, anything this side will be smaller than 90 degrees. So 150 degrees has to be on the right hand side here. Okay, and then P is too close to 90. So P is approximately about 100 degrees. So you want to get 150 degrees, the closest line you should get is Q. Okay. This one, how many mark angle is more than 90 degrees? Okay. How many mark angles? Can you give me your answer, please? How many mark angles? Yes, you can drink water. Aline already gave me the answer. What about the rest? Can I have more questions, more participants, please? Lucas, you have to think again. We are looking for more than 90 degrees. We are looking for obtuse angle. Angle that's more than 90 degrees is called obtuse angle. Third? No. Okay, let's look at individual ones. Is this more than 90? No. Is this more than 90? Yes. Why? Because 90 degrees is about like that. This is 90 degrees. So if from here to here is 90 degrees and you go more, it must be more than 90 degrees. This is more than 90 degrees. What about this? The 90 degrees is here. That is your 90 degrees. So from here to here is 90 degrees. Anything beyond that part is more than 90. So this is more than 90. Is this more than 90? No. The 90 degrees should be here. Okay? This is 90. This is 90. So this angle here is less than 90. Okay? Is this angle 90 or more than 90? It is definitely more than 90. This angle is a 90 degrees. Okay? So this one from here to here is 90. From up beyond that point is more than 90. So this is also more than 90. Okay, this is less than 90. This is your 90. So here is less than 90. So this is less than 90. And then finally, is this more than 90? Yes. This part here is about 90. Okay. And it goes beyond this point, it's definitely more than 90. So the answer is 4. And Charlene is correct. Next, what degree is 87 less than a right angle? This is very easy. Right angle is 90 degrees. So 87 less than a right angle means 90 degrees minus 87 degrees. Yep. Because you are wrong. 90 degrees. Right angle is 90 degrees. 90 degrees minus 87 degrees. It can never give you 33 degrees. So answer please. Okay. Yep. It has to be 3 degrees, right? Determine the numbers of angles, the number of right angles. Determine the numbers of right angles. Okay, let's see who gave me answers. Wen-Xing and Xander, you need to participate and please turn on your camera. Charlene, you're correct. Wen-Xing and Xander, please turn on your camera. Yep, Zhi-En, you're also correct. So waiting for Wen-Xing, Lucas, and no, not Lucas, sorry. Wen-Xing, Lucas, and Xander. Please tick the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, including me. 6. Yep, Zhi-En, you're correct. Charlene is correct. Zhi-En is correct. I need one more person to contribute answer, please. Okay, Wen-Xing and Lucas. Yep, you are all right. Good job. So which one is 90 degrees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is smaller than 90. This is smaller than 90. This is bigger 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 than 90. And this is smaller than 90. So yes, you're right. There's 5 right angles. Next question. In the figure, SW is perpendicular to WP. It means 90 degrees. That means SW, which is this line here, is perpendicular to PW here. That means they form a 90 degree. Okay, it forms a 90 degree. Okay, so that's what it means. Okay. Okay. So SWQ is 57. PWR is 71. So this is 71 degree. And this other part here. Okay, and this other part here. Yeah, let me change color. Okay, so this is 71 and this part here is 57, right? 57 degrees. So we are finding RWQ, which is this middle part here. This middle part here. Okay, so how do we do that? Yeah, everybody saw the answer. It's 38. But how do we do that? Which is more important. Yes, how do we do that? Final answer is 38. Yes, final answer is 38. So how do we do that? 90 degrees minus 71 degrees equals to 7, 8, 9, 19 degrees. So this is 19 degrees. So we use 57 minus 19.